First, gather your equipment. You'll need a large, high-sided sauté pan, or a pot with a tight-fitting lid, a large spoon, and a Chinese wire mesh skimmer, or a slotted spoon. The star of this dish is the sauce, a versatile red sauce that can be used as a base for any seafood dish. The ingredients are simple: olive oil, garlic, crushed red pepper, white wine, and our homemade red sauce. You'll also need 3 pounds of medium mussels, scrubbed and prepared, and some freshly chopped parsley leaves for garnish. To begin, heat the olive oil in your pan over medium heat. Add the garlic and red pepper, allowing them to sauté until their aroma fills the air. Pour in the white wine and tomato sauce, crank up the heat, cover, and bring to a boil. Now it's time for the mussels to join the party. Add them to the bubbling sauce, cover, and let them cook over high heat for 3 minutes. After that, give them a gentle stir and let them continue to cook until they're completely open and firmly cooked. This will take around 4 more minutes. Once the mussels are ready, remove the pot from the heat. Using your skimmer, gently transfer the mussels to a large bowl. Return the pot to the heat and let the sauce boil for a couple more minutes until it thickens enough to coat a spoon. Pour the sauce over the mussels, garnish with parsley, and serve immediately. The red sauce is a concoction of plum tomatoes in juice, olive oil, bay leaves, garlic, onions, carrots, dried oregano, tomato paste, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Crush the tomatoes with your clean hands to break them into small pieces. Heat the olive oil, add the bay leaves, then the garlic. Once golden, add the onions, carrots, and oregano. Cook until very brown, then add the crushed tomatoes, paste, salt, and pepper. Add water, bring to a boil, simmer until thick, then cool and refrigerate. Creating a dish like mussels in spicy red sauce isn't just about cooking. It's about understanding your ingredients, treating them with care, and combining them in a way that brings out their best. It's about creating a symphony of flavors that sings on your tongue and leaves you craving more. So go ahead, try this recipe and take your culinary skills to a new level. Enjoy!